Hello from AlphaCars and Ural of New England in our location in Boxborough, Massachusetts. We're very excited today and we want to share this excitement with you. This is not going to be a long video. This is just pretty much to let everybody know we do have our first 2019 motorcycle, and it has been assembled by our technicians. It's been on the road test. It drives great. And we just want to show you around. It doesn't look that much different, but and it has the same 750cc capacity, but there are a number of enhancements that were done to the cooling fins. It has a different fuel injection system. There are a number of other features. We're going to have a separate video on that. We just want to show you, and we also now have, with 2019s, we have a new Ural diagnostic tool. I have it in my hands now. And it's actually, I know our technicians love it already. It's very, very capable. We have, just like when we work on BMW, Mercedes vehicles, we have the same access to similar data here with this new tool. So we are very excited to show you this bike. We're going to start it up in a moment, and we want to share this excitement. So thank you very much for viewing this video. Let's hear the bike running, and then stay tuned for more. Stay tuned for more. This bike was just assembled. It hasn't been, it's been road tested, came back, so now we're gonna retorque the heads, we're gonna adjust valve clearances, we're gonna do some additional things. It will run even smoother. So thanks again, and we will see you soon.